Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar is currently struggling as positive signals from the US receive support from a possible resolution to the Ukraine-Russian war following Trump's Zelensky's summit on Tuesday. As of the time of writing, the greenback was trading around 97.90. President Trump stated that the preparations are underway for a trial meeting with Putin and Zelensky, noting that Moscow may consider security guarantees and discuss possible territorial exchanges. Also, traders are keeping an eye on the RBNZ this week, which is expected to possibly see a 25 basis point cut, bringing it down to 3%. So looking at the technicals, we're still hovering around the 60-day simple moving average, and a break there would give further concerns to the downside, but support is likely to hold around 64.40. We have seen many dips under this line, brief and then rebounding, so let's see if this happens again, and eventually look to the top side around 65.5 to 66 cents. Turning to the euro, momentum is regaining as the dollar is still a little bit mixed, and I feel there could be a bit of weakness there. Therefore, could see the rally on to 117, but we need to see a break above 117.20 to support the rally further onto 118. Any pullback likely to be limited, with support seen around 116.30.40. Moving on to dollar yen, still hold the bearish outlook, and that is towards 145, and therefore could see the market finding weakness initially to 146.45, but as I mentioned, down to 145. Sterling also regaining after a sell-off, but I do feel technically, as it's holding, that we could see a rally back towards the region of 136.20.40, where a break there could take it to 137 to 138. A bit of weaker play in gold, but still finding support around the key area, that is of 3,320.30 area. I like the way the technicals are shaping up and could see a rally now back towards 3,350 to 60, and still keeping that target at 3,400. Finishing with oil, still a little bit mixed, but the bullish divergence still keeping the upside potential, that is towards 63.5 to around 65, and reassess. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. As always, look out for the interest rate report, and I hope you enjoy the great start to the day.